बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है यूनिट नंबर 4 सिस्टम ट्रबल शूटिंग कंप्यूटर 9th क्लास का। और इसका आज लेक्चर नंबर 1 है हमारे पास। इसके अंदर हम बेसिक समरी पढ़ेंगे और बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स कवर करेंगे। अगर हम टॉपिक नंबर 1 की बात करें, इंट्रोडक्शंस, तो सिस्टम ट्रबल शूटिंग इज अ वाइटल स्किल फॉर कीपिंग कंप्यूटर्स, machines and other equipment running smoothly. When things go wrong, troubleshooting help identifying the problems and find a quick solutions, preventing issues like downtime, reduce productivity and potential damage. For instance, if your computer suddenly stop working, knowing how to troubleshoot can help you fix it without needing costly professional help. This chapter will be guide you to throughout the systematic process of troubleshooting, covering essential steps such as identifying problem, testing theories, implementing solutions, and fully functionality. Again, by mastering these techniques, you will be able to maintain the reliability and efficiency of any system you work with. तो सबसे पहला हमारा टॉपिक है इस चैप्टर का, वो है जी सिस्टम ट्रबल शूटिंग। सिस्टम ट्रबल शूटिंग क्या है? ट्रबल शूटिंग इज एसेंशियल ऑफ मेंटेनिंग द स्मूथ ऑपरेशन ऑफ सिस्टम। किसी भी सिस्टम के ऑपरेशंस को स्मूथ रखने के लिए इसको इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। वेदर देयर आर कंप्यूटर मशीन्स और या अदर टाइप्स ऑफ इक्विपमेंट, कंप्यूटर को ले लें या कोई और दूसरी मशीन, व्हेन जब स्मूथिंग गोज रॉन्ग, जब उसका कोई उसके अंदर कोई मसला आ जाए, समथिंग रॉन्ग goes wrong, troubleshoot help identifying the problem। ये हमें मदद करता है कि इसके अंदर इशू क्या है और इसका क्विकली सोल्यूशन क्या है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यूर कंप्यूटर सडनली स्टॉप वर्किंग, जब कंप्यूटर आपका अचानक काम करना बंद कर देता है, नोइंग हाउ टू ट्रबल शूट कैन हेल्प यू गेट इट रनिंग अगेन विदाउट नीडिंग टू कॉल द एक्सपेंसिव प्रोफेशनल हेल्प। बगैर किसी प्रोफेशनल पर्सन को बुलाए आप उसको ट्रबल शूट करके उसका सोल्यूशन फाइंड करते हैं और उसको रिस्टार्ट करते हैं। तो systematic process of troubleshooting क्या होता है? A troubleshooting process involves several steps that help you systematically identifying and fix problem. These steps ensure that you do not overlook any potential issues and that you solve the problem efficiently. A systematic approach to troubleshooting involves the following steps. तो step number 1 हमारे पास क्या है? Identifying problem. Number 2, establish a theory of probable causes, उसकी causes find out करना। Number 3, test the theory to determine the cause। 4, establish a plan for of action to resolve the problem। 5, implement the solution को implement करना। Number 6, verify full system functionality, पूरे system की functionality को verify करना। Number 7, document finding action and outcome। तो सबसे पहले आइडेंटिफाइंग प्रॉब्लम। द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन ट्रबल शूटिंग is to identify the problem. This means recognizing that something is not working as it should. For example, if you press the power button and your laptop does not turn on, the problem is clear that it is will not start. Number 2, establishing a theory of causes. Once you have to identify the problem, the next steps come up with the theory about what might be causing it. This involves thinking about okay, what could have gone wrong. For example, if your laptop does not turn on, तो पॉसिबल कॉज के माइट बी या डेड बैटरी, हो सकता है कि उसकी बैटरी डेड हो गई यार, या फॉल्ट पावर या कॉर्ड या पावर सप्लाई में कोई फॉल्ट आ गया यार, या इंटरनल हार्डवेयर इश्यूज या कोई हार्डवेयर इशू। Test and theory to determine the cause. After establishing a theory, you need to test it to see if it is correct. So this is involved checking if the suspected cause is actually the reason for the problem. For example, if you think that laptop battery is dead, you can you can test this theory by plugging in the power cord and seeing if the computer turn on. Number 4, establishing a plan of action resolve the problem. If your test confirm the cause of the problem. The next step is to come up with a plan to fix it. This means that deciding what step you need to take to resolve the issue. For example, if the problem is dead battery, your plan of action might be replace the battery or you keep the laptop plug in until you can get it new one. Number 5. Implement the solution. Once you have a plan, जब आप एक plan तो need to put into the action. This means that doing whatever is necessary to fix the problem. For example, if your plan is replace the battery, you would buy a new battery and install it in your laptop. Next है हमारे पास verify full system functionality. After implementing the solutions, you need to check to make sure that the problem is fully resolved and system is working properly again. For example, once you replace the battery, you should see if your laptop successfully turn on and operate as expected without plugging the power cord. Next हमारे पास document finding यानी action and outcomes. The final step is document everything you did during the troubleshooting process. यानी कि जो process आपने किया उसको आपने उसकी documentation बनानी है. This include कि what the problem was, what you thought was caused it, what you did to fix it, and the outcomes. This documentation is important for future reference and can help you or other troubleshoot similar problem more efficiently in future. For example, you would write down that the laptop would not turn on due to the dead battery and that you replace the battery and that the laptop is now working properly. By following the above steps, you can troubleshoot problems systematically and effectively, ensure that the systems continue to operate smoothly and efficiently. तो ये था हमारा टॉपिक फर्स्ट यहाँ पर बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रबल शूटिंग इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम कि कंप्यूटिंग सिस्टम के अंदर इसकी अहमियत क्या है. Troubleshooting is very important in computing system because it helps keep our computer software and network running smoothly. When sometime something goes wrong with the computer system, it can disrupt our work, causes data loss, or even lead to security issues. By knowing how to troubleshoot computing system, we can quickly find and fix problem, ensuring that everything works as it preventing downtimes. Downtime occur when a computer system is not operational. This can be very costly, especially in because that rely on their systems to operate efficiently. When a system is down, employee may not to be able to work, leading to lost productivity and revenue. With the help of troubleshooting, we identify and resolve the systems problem is very short time, which facilitate to reduce the possibilities of system downtimes. हमारे पास है जी ensuring data integrity. Integrity क्या होता है जी? Data integrity means कि ensuring data is accurate and reliable. कि data जो है वो accurate और reliable है. Problem like software bugs or या hardware failure can corrupt data, lead to incorrect information being stored or या processed. The troubleshoot help identifying the source of data corruptions and prevent it from the happening again, ensuring that the data remain accurate and reliable. Next topic हमारे पास improving security. Computer system are often target for cyber attacks. Troubleshoot can help identifying vulnerabilities and security breaches, allowing for quick actions to protect the system. This is important for maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारे पास Extending equipment life. कि life किस तरह बढ़ती है. Regular troubleshooting and maintenance can help extend the life of computer equipment by identifying and fixing small issues before they become big problem. You can prevent unnecessary wear and tear on the system, saving cost. Real world impact. Effective troubleshooting in business help prevent costly downtime and maintain productivity, showing how important these skills are in the real world. Effective troubleshooting can save money by reducing the need for expensive repair or replacement. By identifying and resolving issues early. You can avoid costly downtime and prolong the life of yours. Real world impact. Effective troubleshooting is business help prevent costly downtime and maintaining productivity, showing how important these skills are in the real. Next topic है हमारे पास example. If a printer is not working properly, troubleshooting might reveal a simple paper jam that can be fixed easily rather than needing to replace the entire, enhancing user experience. When the computer system work well, the user have a better experience. They can complete their task efficiently without encountering frustrating issues. Troubleshooting help ensure that the system are reliable and user friendly. Examples are if applications keep crashing, troubleshooting can identifying if problem is due to the software bugs or compatibility issues. Fixing the issues can improve the user experience, making the application more stable and enjoyable to use. Troubleshooting is an essential skill in computing system. It helps prevent downtime, ensuring data integrity, improve security, enhance performance, extended equipment life, save cost, and providing better user experience. By understanding and applying the troubleshooting techniques, we can we can keep our computing system running smoothly and efficiently. तो ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक. ये टॉपिक यहाँ पर कंप्लीट होता है. सो लास्ट में मैं फिर नए आने वाले स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.